So basically, what happened was I stepped on one of those landmines that would teleport me away from y'all, right? But then exactly what happened was it teleported me to another landmine, and I thought that landmine would teleport me back to y'all, but instead of
No
teleporting me
way.
back, it actually just the biggest explosion I ever seen so far and killed me entirely. So
There's a difference between like the teleport landmine and the ones that explode. So you gotta be careful.
interesting.
We're selling cat.
Well, at least we got the cat.
Are we selling the cat?
No.
Oh.
Damn, when you don't know what the landmine does.
No. Wait, that's enough, that's enough. Oh.
Wait, who took my cat?
No.
Oh. I'm gonna gamble the cat.
We're gonna gamble the cat? Oh, no, we're not gonna sell it anyways, so it doesn't matter. Yikes.
Double kill.
Zero.
Well, it's just a normal cat now.
What items do you have? Chris,
Flashlight, what dog?
do you need a shovel or do you not want one?
I'd prefer a shovel.
Okay. So 3 shovels.
Well, actually, you don't need one.
That is true.
I already bought it. You need a flashlight and a walkie also, right?
Yep, that's true.
Okay, and we have 389 left over. Go get your items, by the way. They're gonna land right now in a bit.
Oh, they're there. Yeah, we got iron. Yeah, we got iron from the ground. Yeah, we got iron. Yeah, we got yeah, we got iron from the ground. Yeah, we got iron on the items on the ground. Yeah, we got iron on the items on the ground. Yeah, we got.
Make sure to turn your walkie on.
How you do that again?
Hold Alt and then press Q.
Roger.
So far?
Yeah, it's epic. Over.
It's epic. Over. I need to find something on the wiki really quick. Hold on.
NASA and like Elon Musk comes be like, it's epic. Over. When they finally get to Mars. Holy. Not bad, kitty.
Wait, what is this?
I wanna.
The cat whisper.
There we go.
Hello. Over.
There's quicksand, so be careful.
Okay, over. Okay, over.
Did you find the entrance?
Just quicksand. I don't know if that's the way.
Maybe it is this way. I'm dead.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, over.
You just saw a man dive in quicksand.
Jesus, what is that? I don't even understand what's happening.
Oh.
Wait, how are
Oh.
you guys supposed to get to it then? I
guess
unmuted
it's
on
this
Discord.
way.
I don't know where you're supposed to go, because
Go back
that's
down.
also that way to get to the bridge.
Coming down and over.
Oh,
That's
that's
the fire exit.
Fire
I don't understand
exit.
where the main entrance is on this map.
I don't know if water kills you. Pretty sure it does. I think that's why this is here.
Okay. Water dangerous. Water dangerous. Over.
Ah,
Seem to be in the cave.
interesting.
Over.
Yeah.
Yep.
Main entrance.
Man. What the?
It's all overgrown.
It reeks in here. Ugh, what is that? Yeah, we gotta be careful in here. Ooh. I got warped over. Hey! Do you hear me over?
Are you still alive?
Yeah, it says you gotta access the
What?
basically something about you gotta access the computer to get me out of this prison.
What?
I'm not kidding you. Over.
Alright, I'll go back to the ship then.
No, there's a door and there's a computer terminal. Over.
It's just a door that you can open at the computer, Chris.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the computer terminal and open the door for you so you can get out there.
Did you just open it?
Good? I did not open it.
Now?
I have to go to the ship first.
Okay, that wasn't you then.
I think there's something with you.
I think there's something near me. Over.
You need G2 open, or is that U2?
Repeat. Over.
What door do you need open?
The one that said computer terminal need open. Over.
Yes, but what is it? There should be like a letter and number.
Okay, let me find it then again. Over. Mother!
Holy shit.
Hold. That shit
Wait,
is
what
tilted.
was that that killed you?
I just flew off the edge like a dumbass. Oh god.
Would you care if we restarted the game really quick?
Me?
Yeah, like, I'm just asking.
No, I don't care.
I might... Okay, because one of the mods that I want to work isn't working right now, and I think I know what mod is interfering with it.
dead, right?
Alright, that's fine.
So I might have us restart it.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm talking on Discord. Close the game really quick. There's a mod that's not working that I think I know what's interfering with it, and I really want it to work.
Okay.